We wondered, could we make doing laundry cool? The question motivated us to develop the smallest drum washing machine in the world and leads us to its stylish and user-friendly design. Now it's clear. We care about what you wear next to your skin. A gentle washing process provides a sweet and soft treatment for intimate wear. We developed motors with NIX Corporation, introduced a highly effective washing system, and explored patented cleaning tech. All because we believe that cleaning is an essential part of your health. And it's also about convenience, letting you focus only on the things you love and letting our machine handle the rest. The machine is so capable, adding detergent with messy bottles is no longer a worry. And it's smarter than ever before. Washing and drying are both accomplished in the same small drum, with an accurate moisture measurement to properly dry clothes. You can wear them right after the cleaning process is completed. Thanks to a 48-hour Stay Fresh feature, you don't need to worry about forgetting to remove the clothes. Whether you are staying in or going out to be social, the drum rolls for you. What's more, upgrades are easily done online from anywhere. Explore your cool new washing experience here and now from Daily Needy.